Hello my dear learners, welcome to Angel Smart Study. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the second exercise of the first chapter of the class 10 mathematics real number. Now here in this exercise we are going to learn about the how to prove an irrational number by using the contradiction method. So well guys, this video become very important for you, and here we are going to solve the two very important question in which one question definitely ask in your board exam based on that. So guys, do watch this video till and without skipping, and if you guys new here, then like, share and subscribe the channel and stay connected. So now let's move further and let's talk about the first question of the exercise 1.2, in which we have to prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So guys, we know that root 5 is a non-perfect square, right? So it is a irrational, but we have to prove by mathematically that root 5 is a irrational number. So let's begin with the first thing, in which लेट अस एज्यूम दैट रूट 5 इज अ रेशनल नंबर. ओके, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, रूट 5 को रेशनल नंबर ऐसे एज्यूम करते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट रूट 5 इज इक्वल टू a by b, where a b are the co-prime integers and b is not equal to 0. So now let's multiply b with root 5, so it become a, and now squaring the both side we obtain 5b square is equal to a square. So this is the equation number 1, and now here you can see 5 divides a square. It means that 5 also divides a. Okay, now if we can take the any value of the a, like 5c, here you can take the 5k or anything, right? And c is nothing but the some integers. Now if we put this value in the above equation that we have obtained, so we obtain that 5b square is equal to, in bracket, 5c square. Now if we open the bracket, then we obtain that 5b square is equal to 25c square. Now dividing the both side with 5, we obtain b square is equal to 5c square. So here you can see this 5 divides b square as well as the b. Okay, and here you can see from the equation 2 and 3 we can say that ab have the common factor, and that is 5. So this is the contradiction, the fact that ab are the co-prime integers, and our assumption that root 5 is a rational number is wrong, and we can say that root 5 is a irrational number. So in this way we can prove any kind of the non-perfect square by using this method. So here we have to do the most important thing, that is this mathematical step, and any number is given to you like a root 5, root 2, root 3, root 7. So by using this mathematical step you can easily prove irrational number. So right, so this question is very important for you, so you must prepare this question. Okay, well now let's move further and let's talk about the next question, in which we have to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational. Here we have to do the little bit changes in this method, and directly we have to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number, right? And this is very easy question. So first of all, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. So we can write in a by b form. Now what we will do, we shift 3 to the right side, so it become 2 root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3. Now here in the right side we can take the LCM, so it become a minus 3b divided by b. Now we take this 2 in the denominator of a minus 3b by b, so it become a minus 3b divided by 2b. So here you can see a and b are the integers, so here the right side term a minus 3b divided by 2b is a rational number. Okay, because it is a by b form, so we can say the right side is rational number. So it implies that root 5 is also rational number. Okay, because here the equal sign is given, so we can say both are the rational number. But we have already proved that root 5 is irrational number in the previous question, so we can say that our assumption is wrong, that root 5, or we can say 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number is wrong, and hence we can say that our assumption is 3 plus 2 root 5 is wrong, and we can say that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. So if any question is given to you in the multiple of the any irrational number, so we can prove by doing this simple mathematical steps. Okay, so in this way you can prove any kind of the number. So here it is given that 6 plus 3 root 5, 3 root 2, any number is given to you, so you have to do this simple mathematical steps and you have to prove this number, okay, as an irrational number. So this is the very important question for you. So well guys, if you really like this video, then like, share and subscribe this channel and stay connected.